Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Noise by Kidz. It's me, Kevin, and
Livia. And today we are going to make a wall Christmas tree. So let's get started.
To put our wall Christmas tree, we're gonna have some pins or nails that we'll put in a triangular shape. You don't want one nail on this side to be the same on the other side. Make it so it crosses diagonal. Now to decorate our wall Christmas tree, we're going to use garlands. Right now the garland I'm using is pre-lighted. So we're going to basically put the garland by attaching it to the pin needles that we put. We don't want to make it a loose, floppy one like this. It won't look nice. We want to make it towards tight. And if you have lights on your garland, make sure they're facing up a bit or sideways, not back. Okay, keep doing this until you've gotten to the very bottom.
So this is how the tree looks with the lights on. And now we're going to put the ornaments.
I hope you all liked it. Enjoy your Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.